Hey, what is up everybody? I am ARITRA, and in this video we are gonna talk about how you can easily edit your photos with the help of Google Snapseed on your mobile device. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, download Snapseed from Google Play Store. It's a simple and light app for your mobile device and supportable with almost any device, Android and with iOS. So in the Google Play Store, type here Snapseed and you will get a result like this. Then hit the install button and you know the whole process, man. So I have already installed that one on my mobile device. After installing, open it. The interface is quite easy and friendly. Here on the plus button, just tap on the plus button and choose the photo you want to edit. Go to the gallery. I'm using that photo. So here's a photo of mine. So the most effective thing, don't choose the styles here, right here. And these styles are not so effective, man. Not so effective. So here the brush tool, this one, don't choose this one, that will not help you. So go to the tools first, then hit on the tune image button here, then just slightly slide your finger from left to right to increase and from right to left to decrease the amount. Here to increase and here decrease. I'll show you. Increase, decrease, increase, decrease. So increasing brightness is just better for your pictures, I think. So just increase a little bit of brightness, then slide your finger from up to down like that. Now we have our contrast, so just increase the contrast a little bit, that will be okay. And these are the ambience, saturation. I will make an advanced photo editing tutorial on it. I have shown you the most basic thing. So here go to the warmth and decrease it a little bit more, so the photo looks more professional. It gets a more professional look, so a little bit. Then hit on the right button here, on the right button. So then go to the tools here. After that, go to the vintage column, the most effective low light photography editor tool in the Snapseed. So in the vintage, just press on it and you will find this kind of results. The corners are darkened and your face looks like it's a focus thing, man. So decrease the brightness a little bit, -50 will be okay. Then hit the OK button, then go to the portrait mode, and here's the thing, here's what you can make your picture looks like professional. So increase the face spotlight a little bit, so the photo will be retouched like a professional one. Just trust me. See that thing? It really looks cool and attractive. So just do that and hit on the OK button, and we have our fantastic output. You see that photo? What was that and what is it now? It's a major change, and it is very simple to do with the help of Snapseed with few steps. And then go to the export and save your photo from here. Thanks for watching the video. If it is helpful for you, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, comment if you have any questions about this, and share this video as much as you can. So bye bye.